To fix this problem, what you have to do is to head straight to your phone and try to search for Boomstar app. So when you find Boomstar, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. This is going to pop up. Tap on application details and you're going to be in app info of Boomstar. Tap on the storage, tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on the storage and cache, tap on the clear cache. Go back, tap on notifications, then make sure show notification is still good on. It's really important. So when it's off like this, just tap on it to turn it on. Now go back after doing that. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is still good on. So when it's off like this, turn it on, then you go back. After doing all this, what you have to do is to head straight to Play Store. When you get to Google Play Store, just tap on it and search for Boomstar app. When it appears, tap on it and update it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to tap on the subscribe button, like and also share this video with your friends.